So Rohan was the only child of his parents and he wanted to become a footballer, but his family wanted him to become a doctor. And
One day Rohan was watching a movie, and from movie he got an idea that how he can change the views of his parents.
And Rohan has going to bad in exam, and then
his parents agreed to make him footballer rather than a doctor.
suddenly one night they think that they will go for a ride in scooty. Suddenly they saw.
Then they saw something in the sky glistening. It might be an UFO, they said.
But it was not a UFO. Rather than being a UFO, it was just a rocket that was going through the sky. And then
Rohan imagined like it's a UFO, and his saw him like too much.
And then he just realized become a football is not his dream. He's just inspired by Cristiano Ronaldo.
But then he thought that he will play football and he will become a great footballer like Ronaldo. Then
Yeah, he decided to become a footballer like Cristiano Ronaldo, so he joined a nearby academy which is run by a local authority.
Pressure to his studies, and then
One day in academy, Rohan's face is smashed by a football, and then
then his parents were very angry with him.
they told him that you will never play football ever again.
but he decided to play football again, and he played football not telling his parents about it.
And then because he become a footballer, his role model is Ronaldo, so he's watching everyday football movies like and football game. And one day his parents saw him to watch a football movie, and
then he's very confused about his future. Then he concerned about his problem with Ria. Ria is Rohan's good friend, and she convinced कि you are a good actor, not a footballer. So change track.
Then Rohan thought that he have to being a footballer or a actor, and then
Yeah, then Rohan decided that he is going to become an actor instead of a footballer, and but he is still little bit confused because he was thinking it is his decision or it is just Ria's influence on him.
And uh, Rohan's and Ria's knows him parents. So Rohan's parents is and then
after listening Ria, Rohan tried to go Mumbai, and then
he started working in actress field.
Then one director offered him a film in which he was supposed to play a role in which he's a football player.
And by this, his dream of being a footballer came true, but not in reality, but in a movie. And
then Rohan meet with his actress. His name is Ritu, and Ritu also motivate him to become a doctor. And he is in trouble situation.
And Rohan go to Mumbai for a acting career, and then he decided to one day he decided to play football in his terrace, and suddenly his feet slip and he fall down in garden and one leg is broke.
And then he's in hospital. His father and mother said that don't play football and do the doctor. And then
Yeah, because of injury, his dream of becoming footballer is gone, and he also got a very heavy injury on his face. So his acting career is also now over. So now He's thinking that the path his parents has chosen for him to become a doctor. Now he was thinking that now he should become a doctor.
And finally, Rohan became the doctor, and it was a happy ending. Good job, everyone.